So in triangle PQR, okay, first I have to draw the triangle here. Okay, so this is the triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. PQR. Here Q is the right angle. See that. If you see the question, right angle at Q, that is why here I have drawn the Q. Okay, Q is the 90 degree. Okay, so Q is the 90 degree. Okay, so here the P, sine P is given, cos P is given, tan P we have to find out. So this P is the angle. P is the angle. So if the P is the angle, means opposite of 90 degree, you know that it is the hypotenuse. Opposite of 90 degree is the hypotenuse. Opposite of angle P. Opposite of angle P is called a perpendicular. And the third side is the remaining, there is a PQ is the base. PQ is the base. Okay, fine. So now if you see that question they given that PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. You can see the PQ. So here what PQ? PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. I will take, okay. And here what is given that PR plus QR is equal to what? 25 centimeter. So what I can write here, the PR, okay, PR I will take as a X. PR I will take as X. So here PR I am taking as a X. Okay. PR I am taking as a X plus QR as it is. QR as it is. No changes in the QR is equal to 25 centimeter. So the QR is equal to this X transpose. When X is transposed, so that is become what? Minus X. So QR is become 25 minus X. So QR is what? 25 minus X. Okay. So here three sides we have got now here. What are the three sides? First side is called what? QR. So first is actually given here PQ is equal to what? 5 centimeter. And PR I have considered as a X centimeter. And the QR I have got a 25 minus X centimeter. So these are the three sides we come to know that. Now we have to find out the values of X here. So what I will do now here, I will go for the Pythagoras theorem. So in the triangle PQR, okay, applying Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? The Pythagoras theorem said that hypotenuse square is equal to what? Perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. So hypotenuse nothing but what here? PR square is equal to QR square, or we can say RQ square plus base is nothing but PQ square. So PR is nothing but here X square. RQ is nothing but 25 minus X whole square plus PQ. PQ is nothing but 5 square. So X square is as it is. 25 minus X whole square. Nothing but we have to use A minus B whole square. So what is the identity of A minus B whole square? Identity of A minus B whole square is what? That is what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is the identity of A minus B whole square. So A square, first A square will come, that is equal to what? 25 square. Plus B square nothing but X square. Minus 2AB means 2 into 25 into X. Okay, that is over. A square plus B square minus 2AB is completed. Now plus 5 square is become what? 25. So this X square is as it is. 25 square become what? 625. Plus X square as it is. Minus 2 into 25 become what? 50s. Minus 50X plus 25. So what I'll do now here, this X square and X square get cancelled. Okay, so in the left hand side we have 0. 0 is equal to 625 minus 50x plus 25. So what I will do now, this minus 50x I will transpose to left hand side, minus 50x. So it become what? Plus 50x is equal to what? 625 plus 25 will be as it is. So 50x is equal to 625 plus 25 is become what? 650. So x is equal to 650 divided by 50. So here 0, 0 cancel. X is equal to 65 divided by 5. If you divide, what is the answer will come here? 30 will come. X is
13.
equal to 13. So 13 is x. X is equal to 13. Okay, so according to this question, there is a PR. PR is equal to x centimeter, nothing but 13 centimeter. And QR is equal to 25 minus x. So 25 minus 13. What is the answer of 25 minus
12.
13? 12. So QR is the 12, PR is the 13. Now we got the another two side. Okay, two side we have got now. So here once again I will just draw the triangle for your understanding. Okay, so here P, this is the Q, and here is the R. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse. Angle P, opposite of angle P, you have the perpendicular, and the PQ is the base. So now according to this PQ, you know it is a 5 centimeter. Now PR we have got here 13 centimeter, and the QR is the 12 centimeter. So now easily we can able to find the sine P. Sine P is the ratio. What is the ratio of sine P? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. Sine P is completed. Similarly, cos P. What is the cos P? Cos P is equal to base by hypotenuse. Base divided by hypotenuse. So your base is 5 divided by 30. Tan P. Tan P is nothing but perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So what is perpendicular here? 12. 12 by 5. 12 by 5. So here is the